If you need to update your phone number on Hulu, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. This process can help with account recovery and notifications. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Hulu app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Profile Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Account Information. Click on this to access your personal details. Step 4. Update Phone Number. Find a section for your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field, ensuring it is accurate and formatted correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure your new phone number is recorded in your account. Updating your phone number on Hulu is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can keep your account information up to date.